Where then is my coffee?
Hi, Coffee!
Who are you?
Akira Malabanan po, ma'am. Nag-a-apply sa accounting department.
You're hired.
Malilate ka na, di ba mag-a-apply ka pa sa trabaho?
One eternity later.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Come in. Have a seat. I'm glad you're here. I was going actually to your resume, and I noticed a familiar name. It says you're a first year BSA student,
Yes, ma'am.
but you also did your grade 12 work immersion here in our accounting department.
Yes, ma'am. It's nice to be back here.
Welcome back. How are you doing today?
Thank you, ma'am. It feels really great to be back in this office. I'm doing well, just a little mix of nerves and excitement. But mostly, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to interview with you today.
That's great to hear. Let's dive into it. So, why do you want to return to the municipal as a working student? And honestly, how do you plan to balance your heavy accountancy workload with the demands of public service?
Well, my immersion here was actually the main reason why I chose accountancy in the first place. Seeing how much the accounting team's precisions impacts public service made me want to pursue this path. Now that I am in my first year of BSA, I want to apply what I'm learning in the classroom back to the community. As for the balance, accountancy definitely takes a lot of time, but my immersion taught me how to manage strict deadlines. I look at this as a commitment. I'll be managing my schedule through strict daily goals so I can give my absolute best to the both my studies and this office.
Okay, appreciate that commitment. Since government accounting deals with strictly with public funds and lot of paperworks, what specific skill did you pick up during your time here that will help you transition smoothly into this role?
During my immersion, I got hands-on experience sorting vouchers, checking supporting documents, and encoding data into the system. Back then, I was just following instructions, but now as a BS accountancy student, I actually understand the accounting principles behind them. My biggest strength is meticulous attention to detail. I know that even a simple encoding typo can delay municipal clearance or funding. So I always double check my work against the source documents before calling it done.
That's a very important mindset here. Now, working with the municipal means you'll often interact with local citizens or other department who might be stressed, confused, or in a hurry. So, how will you handle the situation?
I believe politeness and patience are key. When we wear the municipal ID, we present the local government to the people of Lubbock. If a client is frustrated or confused about the process, I don't take it personally. I listen to them fully, use respectful language, and clearly guide them through what needs to be done. Keeping a calm and helpful attitude keeps things efficient and maintain the public trust in our office.
Very true. So, let's talk about integrity. So, in the accounting department, you will see confidential financial records, budget allocations, and payroll. So, how will you handle that level of privacy?
For me, confidentiality is a non-negotiable part of professional integrity. I treat all municipal financial data with strict privacy. I make it a point never to discuss office files, numbers, or names with my friends, classmates, or even my family. Keeping that firm boundary ensures our office data stays secure and compliant with data privacy rules.
Excellent. So, last question for me. As a first year student and a working student, so you'll be the youngest member of our team, right? So, how do you plan to fit into our existing office culture? And where do you see yourself in the next few years?
I see being a student as an advantage because I am a highly adaptable and eager to learn from all of you. I plan to fit in by taking initiatives on clerical tasks, being supportive team player, and listening closely to feedback from my supervisors. In the next 3 to 5 years, I see myself finishing my degree and passing the CPA board exam. I am genuinely enthusiastic about public service, and I want to use my growth to become a highly reliable professional this office can always count on.
Thank you for those clear and sincere answers. So it's highly evident that you value your education and public service. So do you have any question before we wrap up?
Thank you, Mom. Yes. I just want to ask what qualities do you appreciate most in a working student who joins your team?
Oh, that's a nice question. So for us, it's reliability and willingness to learn. So which you've shown today.
Thank you, Ma'am.
So we will review everything and get back to you soon regarding the next step. Thank you so
Thank you, Ma'am.
much.
Thank you.